Hi and welcome to our guide on how to get fit using Zwift, the popular virtual cycling platform. Whether you're new to cycling or a seasoned pro, Zwift offers a range of tools and features to help you improve your fitness and performance. Here are some tips to help you get started. 1. Set up your equipment. To use Zwift, you'll need a few pieces of equipment to get started. The most important piece of equipment is a smart trainer. A smart trainer can adjust its resistance based on the terrain and other factors in the virtual world of Zwift. A smart trainer comes equipped to measure power output in watts, speed, and cadence. Training resistance, essentially as you pedal, the smart trainer will control the load on the pedals. If you go up a climb on Zwift, the trainer will increase pedal load. Going downhill means virtually no load on the pedals. Once you have a trainer, you'll need a device to run Zwift. This can be a computer, tablet, or smartphone. If you're using a smartphone or tablet, you'll need a way to mount it to your bike or set it up on a nearby surface so you can see the screen while you ride. Note also, to see the full visual potential of Zwift graphics, a gaming-like computer or even an Apple TV would be needed, and a reliable connection to the internet. Before you start using Zwift, make sure your equipment is properly set up and calibrated. Follow the instructions for your specific trainer and make sure you have the latest firmware updates installed. Calibration is important to ensure that the resistance of your trainer is accurate and consistent, which will give you a more realistic and effective workout. Don't forget a fan as well for effective cooling. Mount it in front of you and be in a well-ventilated area. 2. FTP test. Once set up and you're familiar with the functions of Zwift, try an FTP test. The ramp test is designed for newer riders to Zwift. Basically, the ramp test measures your capability to ride to exhaustion. The best minute is what's used to establish your FTP number. An FTP test will help you to understand your sustainable power outputs. A bit like walking, running, and sprinting. You can probably walk for a long time, run for maybe 50 minutes, and sprint for only 10 to 40 seconds. Cycling is similar. We use power zones and heart rate zones to gauge our efforts. When riding in Zwift, your power is displayed as a number, 250 watts for example, and also is expressed as watts per kilogram. 3.0 watts per kilogram as you cycle up a climb, for instance. This is important to understand, as when correlated with our heart rate, you know what training zone you are in. Depending on what training zone you are in, it indicates how hard you are working, and whether your power output is sustainable for any given section and effort. It's often said that if you can't hold a conversation, then you are at aerobic threshold. Essentially, that's the aerobic limit of your power output. Beyond that, efforts have limited time that they can be sustained before you fatigue and slow down. So knowing your FTP is important for 3 reasons in Zwift. 1. Know what zone you're riding in. 2. Understanding the power numbers on screen. 3. Build a training plan to improve your fitness. FTP establishes a baseline for your power and zones that are invaluable for improvement. Keep in mind, if you're a new rider, you don't have to go flat out, make it a solid effort. 3. Choose your workouts. Zwift offers a range of workouts and training plans designed to help you improve your fitness and performance. To access these workouts, go to the main menu and select Workouts. From there, you can choose from a variety of categories, such as endurance, power, or speed. Each workout includes a set of intervals and on-screen instructions that will guide you through the workout. You can adjust the intensity of the workout by adjusting the resistance of your trainer, or by using a companion app to control the resistance on a smart trainer. Zwift also offers training plans that are designed to help you achieve specific goals, such as completing a century ride, or preparing for a race. These plans include a series of workouts and rest days that are designed to help you progress gradually and build fitness over time. 4. Join group rides and races. One of the benefits of Zwift is the ability to ride with others in a virtual world. Zwift offers a variety of group rides and races that can help you stay motivated and push your limits. You can join group rides and races by selecting Events from the main menu. Group rides are typically organized by pace or distance, and are a great way to meet other riders and improve your cycling skills. Races are more competitive, and can be a fun way to challenge yourself and measure your performance against other riders. To join a group ride or race, simply select the event from the calendar and join at the designated time. Be sure to warm up before the start of the event, and pay attention to the on-screen instructions and your fellow riders as you ride. Watch your power output early on in the ride. 5. Track your progress. One of the key benefits of Zwift is the ability to track your progress over time. Zwift records a variety of data, including distance, speed, power output, heart rate, and more. This data can be used to set goals and track your progress towards achieving them. To view your progress, go to the Activities tab on the main menu. Here you can see a list of your past rides, along with detailed information about each ride. You can also connect Zwift to other apps and services, such as Strava, to share your rides and compete with other riders. 6. Stay consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to getting fit with Zwift. Try to ride regularly, even if it's just for 20 minutes each day. This will help you build fitness and improve your cycling performance over time. To stay motivated, set goals for yourself and track your progress over time. ERG mode. ERG mode is a setting in Zwift that fixes your power output by automatically adjusting your resistance to match your cadence. Power is a calculation of torque, how hard you're pressing on the pedals, multiplied by cadence, how fast they are turning. ERG mode uses the two in tandem to ensure you hit the prescribed power output. As an example, if a Zwift workout requires you to hold 220 watts, the resistance will automatically increase if your cadence drops, or decrease if your cadence increases, in order to keep you at 220 watts. ERG mode offers a fantastic method of training to watts. And apart from the many conveniences of indoor training, being able to ride and train to watts is a significant attraction of structured training indoors.